And hey there, and welcome back to the official channel of Wondershare DrFone. My name is Francisco, and today we're going to be helping out our Pokemon Go enthusiasts in getting Pokemon Go candy easily. So before that, please subscribe to our channel for more relevant content just like this. And with that, we will start our video, so come along. Now as for part 1, how to use Pokemon Go candy. So the use of Pokemon Go candy can vary as per the need of the player. So anyone can go for evolving, purifying, powering up, or unlocking a second charged attack for their Pokemon with the help of the candy. As we realize the utilities of Pokemon Go candy, we have discovered the importance of the element in the games. So most players consider using the candy to boost their Pokemon power or evolve them. Every Pokemon has its dedicated candy, thus this element is essentially rare throughout the game. And if you seek to use this element on your Pokemon, tap across any Pokemon present in your collection, and you can observe all available options for powering up and evolving the Pokemon. So with the display of the candy required for each operation, go ahead and tap on any of the available buttons to confirm your choice of using the candy in the respective information. Now for part 2, standard ways to earn more candy in Pokemon Go. As we dive into the cheats for getting Pokemon Go candy, there are going to be a few standard methods that every user should know and understand. Along with using the cheat methods, you should always keep a window open for earning candy, as this won't compromise the performance of your account. So first things first, capturing Pokemon. It stands to be the easiest technique for receiving Pokemon Go candy for your collection. The number of candy is variable to the evolution stage of the Pokemon that is being captured. On average, you can receive 3, 5, or 10 candy on the varying levels of the Pokemon. So another pretty impressive hack to getting more candy is to feed your Pokemon with Pokemon Pineapple Berry, which would double the number of candy retrieved from them as well. Next would be transferring Pokemon. So owning a Pokemon of a level lower than 4, for example, do you wish to avoid putting in your own resources for them, so do consider transferring this Pokemon to another user. So moving them to the inventory would award you with a dedicated candy for that respective Pokemon. Then hatching Pokemon. Another convenient technique to implement in the process of making more Pokemon is to hatch them. The type of egg that is being hatched would determine the number of candy that would be returned in the process. A 2-kilometer egg is believed to offer 10 candy, while a 10-kilometer egg returns 30 candy, which can prove to be quite helpful. And the next up is going to be the walking buddy. So using a walking buddy can prove to be quite advantageous in such a situation. To earn more candy across Pokemon Go, you have to simply make a Pokemon of your choice your walking buddy and then start covering the distance. So candy will be awarded for covering multiple milestones set by the walking buddy. Now, other essential methods that are going to be listed. So there are going to be several other standard methods that are available to help users gain Pokemon Go candy for their collection. It includes participating in multiple in-game events, trading Pokemon, or evolving them to better levels. Now as for part 3, 2 working Pokemon Go candy cheats. So we will now direct our discussion to the working methods that can be used as the Pokemon Go candy cheat. So essentially, you will have to exploit your walking buddy system or just take the help of tools to execute this. So this is what we will be discussing and providing you with in the following. So method number 1 is going to be to simulate your movement with a walking buddy. So we have previously discussed the operability and advantages of having a walking buddy with you in game. So what if I tell you that you do not need to go around and cover the distance? This is actually achieved with the help of a location spoofer, for which we will be introducing Wondershare DrFone virtual location as the ultimate solution. This platform simulates the movement and allows you to manage the speed of your movement to make it look as realistic as possible. Without jailbreaking your device at all, you will be able to cover the distance in alignment with the walking buddy and gain Pokemon Go candy as a reward. We will be looking into the steps of performing this task in detail, as it would help you figure out the proper utility of the tool. So you need to have a walking buddy with you to start it. For this, access your trainer profile and then select Buddy, and if it has already been assigned, then you can just change the Pokemon that you want to change it to. Then we're going to direct to Wondershare DrFone. So download and install the tool, then launch it, and then across it, go ahead and click on virtual location from the list, and then connect your smartphone to your computer. Then go ahead and click on Get Started to proceed. For simulating movements, go ahead and select one-stop or multi-stop modes, which can be discovered on the right corner of the screen, and then you can set the road of your complete journey with the help of this feature. And if you wish to change the location completely, look for the teleport mode button on the top right panel, and once you have set the location and pins, specify the number of times that this map needs to be covered and the speed of covering the map. Next, go ahead and click on March, and then once all settings have been specified, you should be fine from there. And then you can also consider using the GPS joystick in the one or multi-stop mode. So this option can be found at the bottom of the screen, and this allows you to move in any direction in real time. So method number 2 is going to be to use a Pokemon Go hacking app. So another direct and quick solution to gain a Pokemon Go candy is going to be to use hacking application. So PokeGo Hacker is an application available for Android and iOS users for this purpose. However, to use this across your iPhone, you need to have a jailbroken device. So with this hacking device installed, you can evolve your Pokemon to the highest levels and gain as many candy as you want from there. And with that, we are pretty much done discussing getting Pokemon Go candy in this video. So we hope that you liked the video, so give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for all of the latest updates on technology. So with that, see you in the next video from there.